In this video, I am going to be making a fruit cocktail, which is my performance task in EPP, and my teacher is Teacher Mabel. Hello! These are the ingredients in making fruit cocktail. Nata de coco, sugar, 3 apples, 1 pineapple, 1 papaya. The materials that we are going to be using are cooking pots, 5 jars, 1 strainer, a knife, a ladle, 3 bowls, and a measuring cup. We are going to be cutting the fruits. So let's start. So this is the pineapple. We slice the. So now I am going to be cutting the apple. Make sure to wash your apples before you cut. So I am going to be cutting it like this. So make sure to get the seeds of the apples before you slice them. Once you're done getting the seeds of the apples, you may now cut it into smaller pieces. Should be like this. This is the cut apples. We are going to be cutting the papaya. So this is the papaya. So put the jars into the pot and wait for 10. So now I am going to be mixing. Now we are going to be doing the blanching process. Leave it for 1 minute. Then turn off the fire and get the papaya. Get a strain. Put the pineapple into the cooking pot and let it sit for about 1 minute. Let it boil for about 1 minute. It is 1 minute. Get the pineapples and drain it using a strainer. For the apples, I am just going to be putting the hot water like here. So I am going to be placing 4 cups of water for the syrup. I am going to be placing 4 cups of sugar. So I am going to mix it. So I am going to be mixing all the fruits. Now put all the fruits in your jar. Now put syrup. This is how you make a fruit cocktail. And shout out to my classmates and teachers. And stay safe, peace, and goodbye.